What's up everyone and welcome back to you on the MOONCHARTS channel. I hope that you are doing very well, and today we're going to update the Bitcoin chart once again because yes, we did some crazy moves. And yeah, we're going through this chart, okay? So if you enjoy the content, as always, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important for me, and so for the YouTube algorithms for me, it helped me a lot. If you want to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you want to turn on notification to get noticed, turn on notification, sorry. And also, if you want to join a cool Discord server with a nice community, you can join the Discord server, the MOONCHARTS Discord server, by clicking the link in the description of this video. So let's start with this Bitcoin update. Here we go. So I'm just going to remove some few things here. So I'm going to go through ways we have done. Okay, I told you on the RSI previously in my previous video to pay attention to a level. Okay, because I was first of all with a wave 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, like that. I mean 1 2 3, then the wave 4 here, and then the wave 5. I was like that, you know, and I was like, okay, on the RSI, the wave 3 is always the highest reached on the RSI. Okay, so if we break the high, that the wave 3 will not be here, but after. And this is exactly what we have done. Okay, so I changed a bit waves. Okay, here that will be a wave 1 2 here. Okay, so like wave 1 2 3 4 5, and that will be another wave 1 2. Okay, because we have done a huge wave 3 here, so that will be a wave 1 2 3 here. Okay, now we are still in the wave 4. We are going to go through these waves. Okay, so target reached, sorry, for this wave 3 here. Okay, we are going to talk about this possible bullish and bearish scenario, but first of all we are going to cover smaller waves. Okay, we have done here. Okay, so just right there, as you can see, we reached the most common target, the 161 point. I guess for me, the bottom is here because we have a flat inside, so strange 5 wave inside the C wave, but looks more like that. Okay, with another wave 1 2 after 3 here, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. Okay, so I mean normally we have this. No, we don't have this. Okay, so wave 3 top here. Okay, because of smaller wave. Okay, smaller waves are like that. Wave 1. 2, then the wave 3 here, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. Okay, so that's a bigger wave 3 here. Okay, because in each wave we have smaller waves. Okay, so wave 3 top on the 161 point, a bit after, but that's clearly not a problem. Okay, that's clearly not a problem. Now the question is, are we in a wave 5 or are we in a correction pattern? Okay, and the thing is that we can be, there is this possible waves here. Okay, I feel finally I can find my waves. As you can see, wave 1 2 3 4 5 here, bigger wave 3, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5, extra. The thing is, waves we have done inside looks more and more like a triple correction. For example, inside this wave 5 we should have 5 waves inside. Okay, because that will not be a wave 5. So yesterday I was expecting, you know, for example, a possible ending here because we have 5 waves, so that will be like that. Okay, bit after this here, with because we have 5 waves here. Okay, 3 waves, sorry, a zigzag here, 5 waves on the first wave, retracement ABC, and then 5 waves on the last wave. We have a zigzag, and I don't really see 5 waves impulsive inside here or an ending here. No, that's not possible. And that, for me, this is not a wave 5. Okay, so the thing is, because we have done an ABC here, A here, B wave here, and the C here, we cannot finish a wave 5 with an ABC. So what can you expect in that case? A possible ending. Okay, but the problem is, if you look at this, an ending is like that, for example. So I'm going to change in basic, for example, 1, the wave 2, then the wave 3, then the wave 4, that go between the wave 1 and the wave 2. It can break the wave 1 top. Check on the internet. An ending can break the wave 1 top, not an impulsive, but an ending, yes, and a leading 2. Okay, that will be more like that. The problem is wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 beginning. We've broken this, so that's not an ending 2. Okay, by the way, I don't know if I said leading, but it's an ending. Okay, it's an ending here because it's a wave 5. Okay, but the thing is, we've broken the wave 1 beginning, and this is not possible to do that. Okay, this is absolutely not possible. Okay, so the thing is, because we have broken this, I would see more a triangle here. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Each waves are 3 waves, so yes, that's clearly valid for a triangle. Okay, so now the thing is, if we go down, okay, if we go down from here, this is not, we can go a bit higher and move to the downside. Okay, just fail to break out this to the upside, for example. if we go down, that's gonna be normally a E wave of an ABCDE triangle, okay? From the low, because we finished the E wave to the downside, we should move to the upside. So that in that case gonna be, okay, the wave 5, okay, the wave 5 here. The wave 5 here, okay, and in this that will be a wave 4, okay. I mean the wave 1, 2 here, 3, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5, okay. And inside this wave 4 we will get a triangle here, okay. So now if we do that, if we go to the downside from here, what can we expect on this wave 5, okay? Which target, okay, we can expect? So no, not the retracement tool. Look on the high almost, and on this good template, perfect. So I'm going to replay that, perfect. Here, if you pay attention to target, okay, so first target is a 61.8, okay. We don't pay attention to the pattern we have done, the correction pattern we have done. We pay attention to the wave 3 top. As you can see here, that will do a double top of this wave with this wave 3. So this is not really common to do in Elliott Waves, so we can expect a price to the next target, okay. Next target, most common one, will be the 100%, okay, and that will match with a bigger if that's an ABC and we are bearish, okay, we are bearish. That will be the target, maximum target for this C wave, okay. But there is also the bullish scenario, okay, that will be a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. So we're going to go through this too, okay. But for now, if we are bearish, that will be the target here, okay. Keep in mind that there is all the targets here, okay. I'm going to remove this square here. There is all the targets here. There is a 161.8 after the 100%, okay. The 123 is not a target for a wave 5. Then you have the 261.8 maximum target, okay. Keep in mind that if we are super bullish, we can do an extension and go and break every single ray higher, okay. But for now, we're gonna stay with common target, okay. Gonna stay with this. We're not going to the moon directly, so we can expect a price around the 100% here. If we do a wave to the downside here and bounce on the support level, maybe go a bit lower. As you can see here, we went a bit higher than this resistance level of this triangle. So this is clearly possible here, okay, to go a bit lower here and then move to the upside, okay, and stop maybe before and go to the upside. That is also possible, okay, to do. But yeah, for now, if we play with statistics, extra, we have more chance to go there and boost from here and stop on the 100%, okay? So that will be more on the 100% here, just right there. Then we can expect, because yes, the 5 ways here, I'm going to remove this, yes, and this one too. Okay, so that will be, okay, 5 waves here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what are these waves? These waves are a small wave of this wave 3 here. So I'm going to turn in minor. It's gonna be better and easier to read, I think, and maybe 2, like that. Perfect. Okay, so wave 1, 2, 3. Inside this wave 3, the wide one here, we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, with a triangle. And by the way, triangle appear most of the time in a wave 4, so that's why also this is clearly possible to get a triangle here, okay. So wave 1, 2, 3, 5 waves inside, then the wave 4. What can we expect inside this wave 4? We can expect a really small retracement. Why? Simply because the wave 2 did a huge retracement. The rule is, when you do a huge wave 2 retracement, you can expect a small wave 4. Okay, so this is 23.6 is a small retracement. Okay, this is the first target for the retracement. Okay, if we do a regular retracement, for example, stop between the 50 and the 61.8, we can expect more a 38.2, 50% retracement. Okay, if we do a 38.2 on the wave 2, we can expect a 50, 61.8 on the wave 4. Okay, and yeah, the rule is if we do a big wave 2, we can expect a small wave 2. Yeah, if we do a small wave 2, we can right, I'm going to do it again. If we do a big wave 2, we can expect a small wave 4. If we do a big wave 4, we can expect, I mean, if we do a small wave 2, we can expect a big wave 4. Okay, and if we do a big wave 2, we can expect a small wave 4. So here, so that will be the first target, and that will be the price expected on this wave 4. Okay, if we stop from here, if there is some target after this, so if there is some targets higher, it can go high. Okay, but just with statistic, we have more chance to stop here. Okay, so wave 3, wave 4 on the 23.6 around 47k, so back into that trend. Okay. By the way, to check the retracement is from the top of the wave 3, for example, for the wave 4 to the beginning of the wave 3, or I reversed my tool. So in the other case, if you are not reversed your tool, it's from the bottom here, from the beginning of the wave 3 to the top of the wave 3. Okay, but I reversed my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom. Okay, and for the wave 2, from the top of the wave 1 to the beginning of the wave 1. Okay, so now to find the wave 5, it's just like you just have to place it like that. Beginning of the wave 1, top of the wave 1, and bottom of the wave 4, or top of the wave 4, it depends how you read that. So here, as you can see, first target, first possible stop is a 61.8. Truncated wave 5 is a stop before the wave 3, okay? So before the wave 3 top, so that's not really common to do. Then here it will do almost a double top. Double top is not really common to do. So next target is a 161.8, sorry, okay? Then we have maximum 261.8, but okay. So now if we check at bigger patterns, because that will be the wave 5 stop, okay, most possible stop, okay. If we check with the ABC, okay, and in that here we are going to see if that is bullish or bearish, okay. So I mean with the possible bullish and bearish scenario, okay. So from the top here to the low of this one after this. So maximum target for an ABC is the 161 point. So I'm going to remove the other one here, just right there if I can. All right, here we go. Here the most common target, I mean not the most common target, the maximum target for an ABC is the 161 point, okay. Should we go higher, for example, in this wave 5 or in this wave 5 here, okay? And we touch the 200% just right there. If we touch the 200% just right there, we are more bullish than bearish, because a C wave like that cannot go higher than the 161.8. It can go, for example, a bit higher than but it cannot touch another person. Okay, that's not possible. I mean, except in super trend, but here it's a bigger time frame extra. So no, I will not think about this. And if we touch this. This is a confirmation that we are bullish, okay? If we don't touch and come here for a bit higher, and then from here, and move to the downside, break the A wave top, okay? That is bearish, and we are going more down, okay? So we already saw targets. Now, I mean, we're going to see target now because the top of the top will be here normally, okay? So now, if we pay attention first of all to the retracement, sorry. Here the retracement will be 76.4, 78.6. That's clearly okay. Maybe 85.4. Okay, this is also possible. X can retrace 100% maximum, so we can do a double top 2 here. But if we do a double top, 200% invalidation of this ABC. So this is more bullish and not an ABC zigzag with a 5-way, 3 ways, 5 ways, but a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a 5-way, 3 ways, 5 ways, extra. Okay, ABC is exactly the same as a wave 1, 2, 3 of an impulsive. So that's the prime we have here, okay. But now if we are bearish, okay, the top of the top for now, okay, will be on the top of this wave 5 here. The first top, okay, for this Y leg, okay, just right there, is the 61 points. So we can expect a price, maybe a stop around there, okay. This is clearly possible to stop here. Then we can expect a price on the 100% just right there, okay. And if we do a truncated, by the way, a truncated Y leg, okay, truncated, so stop between the 38.2 and the 61.8, this is also clearly possible. And other prime here, but normally we're gonna play with statistics and say, okay, we have motions to go minimum here, okay, and after this, maybe go to the next target, okay. So next target will be the 123, okay, so next possible stop here, and then the 161.8, but I don't know if that one will be possible here. Yeah, that will be a huge retracement, so for a wave 2, so okay, we can add this one, but that will be really low, okay. So maybe we can do a WXY like that, the wave 2 a bit more down here, but that will be a huge wave 2, crazy wave 2. So I'm gonna say more 100% here, okay, 123, okay, around there, that will be good. So that's our wave if we are bearish, okay. So pay attention to the possible triangle we have here, okay. This is a possible triangle. Don't pay attention to this A, B, C, D. This is just to get the support and resistance of this triangle. This is not to get latest. Latest are in blue, light blue here, okay. But yeah, that will be expected waves, okay, if we do the retracement here. Now the thing is, if we are not, if this is completely wrong, we didn't have done an ABC here, okay, just right there, okay, inside this wave. I'm gonna go on maybe on the 15 minutes here, okay. And if this is not a triangle, if we didn't have done an ABC, but if we have done a 1, 2, 3, or 5, we have done this wave 5 here, okay, it will mean that we have finished yet the bigger wave 3, okay, just right there. It will mean that the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is done. So the wave 3, the bigger 1, 2, 3 is done, okay, because smaller waves are finished, okay. Now if you drag it like that, we have done a retracement, okay. The important thing is to check the retracement we have done, okay. So I mean, you already know that, I already showed you that, but the wave 2, okay, have done a retracement, a 90% retracement. This is just huge for wave 2, okay. Now if you check at the retracement, the expected retracement is a 23.6 because we have done a super retracement here, okay, a super huge retracement. So here 23.6, okay, so that's the problem here. We have done also a really good retracement, an expected retracement for this wave 4, so not directly because I was expecting more an ending before to do the wave 4 after, okay, but that's a good retracement for this wave, okay. So wave 4 and now the wave 5, okay, if we are doing this, okay. So I'm going to talk about the bullish scenario after this, okay. So but now you know the invalidation of the bearish scenario, so that's really cool, okay. Now the target, so to find the target of this wave, to find targets of this wave 5, you just have to click first on the wave 1 beginning, on the wave 1 top, and then on the wave 4 bottom or top. It depends how to read this, okay. So the first target is a 61.8, okay, but that will be a truncated wave 5. For example, if we stop it from here, that will be strange. Now after this, a 100% most common target, but that will be still a truncated wave 5, so not really common. Next, a 161.8, this is the most possible stop here, okay. Should we go higher, we can expect a price on the 261.8 maximum target, okay, maximum target. If we go higher, that will be a bit strange, okay, because I mean go higher, I mean touch the 423.6 for example, that should not be possible to do that, okay, except if we have a big extension inside. In that case we're going to rotate extra, but for now we're going to stay with common targets, okay. So we can move down from here too, okay. Triangle, say we are about to move down here. This wave, say, okay, most common target for this wave is reached, so we are maybe also to go down from here, and that's why there is some possibilities. As you can see, triangle is valid. These waves are though not valid due to the wave to the wave we have inside. We don't have 5 waves here, so that's not possible to get a wave 5 here. But in case we did 5 waves, strange 5 wave, we have to accept that, and that's a game, okay. So in case we have done this wave 5 here, most common stop is a 161.8. Keep in mind the 261.8, that's another possible target, okay. But if we have done this, okay, so if we are bearish, okay, so I don't have the bearish on this one, okay, but that will be not a 1 2 3 or 5, okay. I'm going to remove this big 1 2 3 or 5 and show you the ABC, okay. In that case, if we have done an ABC, you know, the big green ABC we have done, okay, we're going to see target of this, okay, target of this I mean, you know, this green ABC here, the huge ABC that will be inside this X if this is bearish, okay. Here so ABC, I'm going to change the color the same minor green, okay. If we have done this, okay, I'm gonna go on the 4 hour. It's gonna be better for me to play this on the chart. So there is no any wave 1 2 after this. Of course, this is an X retracement here, okay. But if we have done this ABC, as you can see, the maximum target will bring us on this 123 on the 161.8, sorry, and we should get a wave to the downside now, X wave, okay. We should have done the WXY, okay. W with an ABC inside, W wave here, chant this, X retracement, so on the top really soon, and then a Y leg to the downside. So we are maybe also possibly going to down. If we have done this wave, if we are in this triangle, we're gonna get a bigger range here, okay, normally. But if we have done this, we're going to down directly, okay. So that's the prime here we have, okay. But now there is also the bullish scenario, okay, because an ABC, okay, here, if you pay attention to this ABC just right there, that can be also a wave. So I'm going to remove this WXY, okay. If this is not an ABC and we have done, okay, I'm going to move on the other one. It's gonna be easier for you to understand that. But for example, if we have done this ABC, okay, we have done the low, we are not going any more down, and we are not in this WXY, okay, W here, XY, so that will not be an ABC, okay. So I'm going to remove pay attention to this. That was yesterday when I was doing some analysis on Discord. Bigger wave, bullish, bearish. So if you hide that, you just leave the ABC, okay, and you add the bullish one, okay. ABC can be exactly the same down the 1 2 3 4 5, because I'm going to draw you that a bit higher here. An ABC zigzag, okay, ABC have 5 waves, okay, oops, 5 waves in the first wave, 1 2 3 4 5 for example. Then we have an ABC triangle, WXY, whatever you want, okay. So I'm going to change that into small white, and this one too, small y, okay. And then we have another 5 waves, so leading here in the first wave, impulsive, okay, and here impulsive or ending in depth, okay. But the thing is, in a 1 2 3 or 5, what do you have? What do you have? Exactly the same wave. Okay, wave 1 2, then the wave 3, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. Okay, for example, this wave here. So I'm going to turn that into yellow, copy paste this. We have exactly 5 waves in the first wave. We have exactly an ABC, triangle, WXY, whatever you want inside. We have exactly 5 waves inside this wave 3 too. You see, that's the prime we have here. And the invalidation of this, because after these 3 waves and then 5 waves to the upside, the invalidation of this pattern gonna be if we reach, as I told you, the 200%, okay, of this C extension, okay, so just right there, here, oops, I'm going to replace that. Should we touch, because as you can see, we already touched the maximum target, 161.8. Should we touch the 200%, that will be not the bearish waves here, okay, but these bullish waves with a 1 2 3. I mean, even if we start on the 161.8, for example, we're going to talk about this, but if we stop around there, okay, we do these waves, extra, maybe more these waves, okay, and not this ABC, but directly this wave 4, okay, so like that. Don't know if I'm clear with my explanations, but now the wave 3, okay, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. By the way, a small one here, okay, around there. That's the problem we have right now. It depends if we have a triangle here, or if we have done this wave 5, okay, that will be the top here, maybe a bit higher, as I told you, with the maximum target here, okay, and then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. If we don't have any wave 4 5, this is more the ABC, okay, that is hidden here, okay, just right there. And if we are bullish, this is this 5, we have this 5 waves, okay, so in the wave 4 and then the wave 5. So here, if we have all of this wave, okay, the target of the high will be here, okay. So now if we are bullish, normally we should stop here. We can still go higher because there is some targets are higher, but if we play with statistics, we have more chance to stop here. So now we're gonna see target expected for this wave 4, okay. So I'm going to remove this. We're gonna check this right there. That will be for the bullish scenario, okay. Just an ABC. The wave 2. Bigger wave 2 will be here, okay, on the low here, just right there, and now it will be directly bullish, okay, after this bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, but we're gonna see that, okay. So 23.6 is expected here, okay. Then you can check, oops, yeah, it was, 76.4, yeah, 23.6 or 38.2, it can go there too, okay, it can go there too, so pay attention to the pattern inside, okay. So I'm going to remove retracement now and add the extension tool to find, okay, the wave 5 possible stop. So okay, perfect. So first target for the wave 5 is the 61 point. I already done that, but it changed it a bit, okay. So like that, first top is here, okay, but this is not the most common target. The most common target is a 100%. As you can see, that will be almost a double top here, okay, a bit higher. Definitely if we go lower to the 38.3 retracement here, in that case that will be a bit lower too. In that case that will be maybe more a double top, exact double top, okay. For now we're gonna say more 23.6 retracement, okay. It can change depending on the pattern we have inside too. So first target 61.8, first possible stop, that will be also a double top here. Then the 100%, try to break out and then move to the downside, okay. But if we're super bullish and we go higher, 161.8 is the next target, and then the 261.8 is the maximum target, okay. That are all possible stop for now, because keep in mind that if we go lower, for example in this wave 4, that's gonna change the wave 5 top, okay. So that's gonna change the wave 3, just right there, the wave 3, and the wave 4 gonna be a bit lower, okay. So it just to give you an idea, okay, of the price we can reach here, okay, on the maximum of the maximum. But in most common target is a 100%. So keep in mind this, okay. If we are in this, I'm going to remove everything here, maybe hide some of the smaller wave of this triangle here, okay. Everything here, I think that could be better. I'm going to hide everything here. Oops, hide this, and it should be better right now, okay. So now what can we expect after this? Bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, okay. So bigger wave 1 here, okay. Wave 1, wave 2, then wave 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to change the color of this, maybe blue, like that, okay. So we are in a bigger wave 3, okay, as you know it, wave 1, 2 here. So now a bigger wave 3, and that will be every smaller wave of this bigger wave 3, okay. And we should read the top after this, but anyway, this is a bit early to say that. If we are bullish, this is what is going to happen, okay. With all possible stop on this wave 5, we can also do some extension inside each wave. That's why we cannot really predict each move inside this wave. But again, as you can see, we're forming a nice range around this this level here, okay, on the top here, okay. We have done the range here, we are still in this range. Maybe go a bit higher here, but That's okay. So I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed this update on Bitcoin. I hope I was clear with my explanations. Okay, if you have any question, do not hesitate in the comment section down below or on the Discord server. This is really important that you understand everything here. Okay. So yeah, hope you really enjoy this content. Hope you really enjoy this update. If you here we go, 1, 3. Don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to turn on notification, turn on notification. If you want to join a cool Discord server, you can just by clicking the link in the description. Okay. So yeah, take care of you. This is important, and don't forget to stop loss while you are trading. This is also really important. And yes, see you next time.